equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are going to walk through the process of replacing the battery in your HP 15 SFQ laptop. This task is straightforward, but it requires some attention to detail. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean, static-free workspace. Make sure you have a new battery compatible with the HP 15 SFQ model. Begin by shutting down your laptop completely and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that there's no residual power. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the clips holding it in place. With the back panel removed, you'll see the battery clearly. It's usually held in place by a couple of screws. Again, use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove these screws. If you find this process a bit daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Once the screws are out, carefully disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This may require a gentle tug, but be cautious not to pull on the wires. Now, you can lift the old battery out of the compartment. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the area. Dust and debris can accumulate inside your laptop, so using a can of compressed air can help clear out any particles. This step is often overlooked but is essential for maintaining your laptop's performance. Now, take your new battery and align it in the compartment. Connect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it's secure. Once connected, replace the screws that hold the battery in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. After securing the battery, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Finally, flip your laptop back over and connect it to the power source. Turn it on and check if the new battery is recognized. If everything is working correctly, you're all set. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you. Enjoy your newly powered HP 15 SFQ. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.